Napakahalaga po talaga ng mga itinuturo ni ING, yung pag-build po natin ng solid financial foundation po natin. Dahil si Kaiser po ay meron na po siyang short-term and long-term healthcare po. Meron na rin po siyang life insurance for 20 years at kapag nagkaroon po tayo ng emergency po, ay may magagamit po tayong card. At kapag hindi naman po tayo nagkakasakit, ay nagko-compound po yung investment po natin kay Kaiser. Sabi nga po ni Jack Ma, buying an insurance cannot change your life, but it prevents your lifestyle from being changed. An illness can wipe up an entire family's savings that they have saved for decades by the medical bills. You will not turn bankrupt because of buying insurance, but you will cause your loved ones to turn bankrupt if you don't. Kaya it's a must po na i-rally po natin, i-message po natin lahat ng mga kaibigan po natin na dapat magkaroon po sila ng Kaiser Savings Plan po nila.